Josie, they're coming up in a second.
Hey, Deanie, what's up? How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
Even. All right. So I just want to give you a quick outline of the concept. So, and I can do a call with you in like 2 hours again. Right now I'm limited on time.
Okay.
So, for example, yesterday we just started this. So what you're watching is these videos to understand how to create emails inside of the system to send in bulk, and how to create a campaign of automated emails that are going to be associated with each salesperson, that when they get a lead and it hits the system, the CRM, there will be a 90-day automated sequence of like 30 to 40 emails that we have to create the content for. But you have to understand that that's the principal, fundamental step one. Like moving forward, that's
Okay.
The other part is they have leads from like the last year that are old and they haven't done anything with. So we created our first campaign. I launched 2 days ago the first campaign right here. So, and I'm recording this and I'll send you the video after so you can rewatch it. Something you don't get.
Okay.
But, so for example, February 5th was the first day, and this is email tracking report by date. So you'll have to understand how to run reports as well to see the big picture data. So I took a list of people who inquired on Mercedes-Benzes, and I sent to 2 different lists of people. This list is for people from November of last year.
Okay.
11/2 through 11/31. This is the list. 965 people who inquired about Mercedes-Benzes. And in the system, they were a team that's lost leads. So they were not working these leads at all for the last, 3 months. The other list was, this list was, June and July, June through July of last year. So they were just dead people. The list had 16 people there. As you see, 531 people opened it and 920 total opens. So huge amount of people are still on the market. This shows us. And now you click here and it shows you all these people, like this man opened it 4 times, 3 times, even 1 time. So what we want to get into the habit of doing and building our funnel is sending a follow-up to this list now.
Okay.
Create a new email that will speak to these people, to take action. Now, the way I'm watching the data is these emails have a call to action to bring the person to, you understand so far, right?
Yes, yes.
So in the email, there's the link to go to this page. And it was just a list of people who inquired about Mercedes-Benz. There's different cars and we're going to develop this, but I drove the people to this page, this URL. this URL up here.
Okay.
And now I go to Google Analytics for February 5th, and I look at, obviously some probably came February. Let's just show this exactly. So we're looking at the behavior page with the site content into landing page, where here's the landing page that I just showed you, and it drove
Yes.
204 sessions on that day.
Wow.
Okay, with all goals where we have the conversion goals, where there were 8 conversion goals that occurred from that list.
Okay.
Now I worked through a new list of people on different date segments yesterday, and the same exact concept, and drove yesterday 463 people.
Wow.
We also did it to the Bentley page. We did a separate email driving people who inquired about Bentley vehicles, and this is how many people came. It's a much smaller list, but we drove this amount of people where there was goal completions there as well. And I worked through the lists. This is what we're doing, and the point is that these people now need a new email with a new call to action, because obviously all these people went to the website. They're obviously still shopping, but now we have to give them new offers. And this is what I have a business partner who's helping me, where we're going to make landing pages with unique offers to funnel these people through with unique offers, because the first email just basically resurrected them onto the market to make sure that they still are interested in the car. And obviously they are not going to go to the website unless they're interested in a car still.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so does this all make sense?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is the flow, and this is how the project is going to take place. But now we have to work through new lists and all that stuff. You'll have to understand. I mean, it's very simple. You just run into the report. So now, if you look at, yesterday's emails that I sent, here's yesterday. Refresh the report, and now you see all the campaigns that I created, and this is all the people that I hit up yesterday, and this is all the data, all the people that opened, all the people that the multiple times. And now we have to work through this list. And I'm also taking the people's this data, and I'm loading it into Facebook and running remarketing campaigns to them on social media as well. So that's really the whole concept of everything that we're doing. And then I also have a team of people that can call the prospects. So like this list of people had 436 unique opens. I have a team in Philippines that are going to be making outbound calls. So basically, these people that open multiple times the emails, we're going to start calling them as well, and executing even further into the list. But what I need your help with is to watch the lists, watch analytics, create emails, new emails, and we're gonna, this is a long-term project. But in regards to how it works and what we're looking at and executing, this is how we're looking at the data, creating emails, sending it to big lists, watching how the list reacts, and then figuring out the new email to send them and to try to funnel them through. And then obviously track the people that actually re-inquired. Because here in analytics, when you see the goals, you have the thank you page. So basically 5 people converted, filled out new forms yesterday in Dealer Socket with RM system on the website. So we should have 5 people from all these people that actually resubmitted a new lead.
Yes.
Or called, or maybe called, which, I think one person called yesterday. This one person called yesterday. So this is like the final, and then I have to work with the sales team to figure out, these 5 new leads that came in again, these thank you pages, I have to figure out which ones they are. This is what I'm working on today because I don't have that answer yet.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, yes, it makes sense.
So let me go because I have to go. Just watch the videos. This is a long-term project. I need you to be, this is clearly a project that is data-based and specific. So when we make a list, it's going to a specific amount of people, and and we're seeing who responded, and then we're seeing who went to the website, and then we're seeing who did what action on the website. So that's why I'm saying this is a very precise project, and it's detail-oriented, and this is what I'm looking for help with, because in regards to doing the tasks, I have other things that I need to do, so I will look upon you to help me with the execution and the data evaluation, and then figuring out how to build reports that are going to be unique to our maybe hire like a developer that will create some type of a data reporting chart or website that will show real time exactly what's happening from our work.
Okay.
That's the next phase of what I want to accomplish.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I understand. It makes sense.
Okay, so I'll talk to you a little bit later. I'll record this video and resend it to you. So please rewatch this so that you're crystal clear on what we're doing. And in the meantime, just watch the videos 2 or 3 times so that until
I
you
will.
your notes, know exactly which videos for what task, and just become very precise with the marketing end of the system, and then maybe the reporting also, so that you can understand the reports, because really it's a very simple process. People are sending them leads from different websites, and then the team is calling them or emailing them and trying to follow up.
Okay.
And then we are also utilizing text messaging is coming in, so that'll be another new program that I'm going to need assistance with as well. So I just have to determine what type of time each task takes and stuff like that, so I understand what you're doing. But that's the next thing that is also going to be executed as well, not only emails but texts and so on.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Send you this video.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice catching up. Okay. Bye.